So we left off on the last series with 4.62% profit, as you can see here on Trader Edge where I'm doing my backtesting. Then on the very next Monday, I saw a great setup on the New York session, so I wanted to quickly come here and break it down for you. Already what we can see right there is that we had this displacement, leaving this fair value gap, broke this low, and then we started going down. But since it happened before the New York kill zone, I would not suggest taking this trade. So we took it out very slightly, then had this displacement with the fair value gap, with this low taking out. So you can just put the trade right there, cover the high with 4 pips. First level, not this one, it would be this one for 1, 2, 3. Let's just go with 1, 2, 3.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
But what I wanted to show you guys also is the importance of taking profit. So you can have whatever rule you want. You can go always for a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, as long as your win rate and your risk to reward makes sense. I have another video about that. But then look what happened right after, around 8:30. We went back up, starting feeling those fair value gap going up. And then we went to take out once again the 2 days high, which is this one right there. So if someone didn't go break even or took profit after taking this trade at around 7 AM, this person would have been taking out right there. And then we went back up, created this 3 drive pattern. So I already talked about that. ICT also explained it in his mentorship. And then look what happened right after. So we had the displacement, we formed this fair value gap, and then we had this low that was sticking out, but only on the second leg right there. So it's not as clean as the first trade. I would not be allowed to take this one above. And this one, if you like taking second legs, I guess you could go for that. But I would suggest putting your stop above this level. Then went back up, had another fair value gap in here. That we filled. And then went lower. But then once again, look what happened at around 10. Once again, we went up, took the people who sold around those levels because the algorithm knows that a lot of people are selling double tops like this one. That's why we took them up. And then even triple tops like this one. So we went back up and took them people out. Had this fair value gap here that we filled. However, at least for my strategy and the way ICT explained it to my understanding, since there were no lows sticking out, I would not be able to take this trade. But look the potential that happened right after. That was a very interesting day, so I wanted to come here and explain that to you and the importance of taking profit. And this was the Monday right after the 1 week of EURUSD trades that I did. So we left off last time at 4.6 and we can add this 3%. And we would be now at 7.76 for 1 week and 1 day of trading. And if you need a backtesting tool, check out the description for the Trader Edge link. They even give you a step-by-step book on how to find your edge and 7 days for free to test it. And if you didn't already watch me backtest an entire week of EURUSD, where I go in complete details about each trade, check it here.